Hey everyone, this is C Crypto Daily Buzz. Today is August 10th, and this channel summarizes the most important crypto news for investors in Southeast Asia. Bitcoin has quietly reclaimed the $65,300 area, Ethereum is up near $1,929, and Solana is around $77. The tape is finally green after 2 flat days. Today we have 3 items on the radar. A key US crypto bill is heading to a Senate floor vote in September. A Coinsbuy-linked wallet was drained for about $7.9 million, and a lawmaker in South Korea is preparing a proposal to push the crypto tax start date back to 2030. Let's break it down. Story 1. The Clarity Act is now on a clear timeline. The U.S. Senate Majority Leader filed cloture on August 8th, setting up a floor vote on September 15th. This is the market structure bill that would divide crypto oversight between the SEC and the CFTC, and it passed the House 294 to 134 last year. It has been stuck for weeks. My read is that this is bullish for regulatory clarity, but the risk is that ethics riders attached to the bill could still block the 60 votes needed. For Southeast Asian traders, this matters because clearer U.S. rules usually reduce compliance friction for platforms serving Philippines, Vietnam, and Indonesia users. Watch September 15th carefully. A pass, a fail, or another delay will set the regional tone. Story 2. A Coinsbuy-linked wallet was drained for approximately $7.9 million on the Ethereum and TRON networks. According to on-chain analysts and the security firm PeckShield, the attacker moved the stolen funds through ChangeNow, FixedFloat, and BingX, and part of the flow was converted into Monero. Coinsbuy has confirmed it froze a 6-figure portion of the stolen assets, with support from ChangeNow, and deposit and withdrawal services have already resumed. My view is that this is another reminder that Tron-based flows remain a favorite laundering rail, and that matters directly for Southeast Asia because a large share of USDT and remittance activity across Philippines, Vietnam, and Indonesia moves on Tron. If you use any smaller regional platform, this week is a good moment to double-check withdrawal limits and confirm the platform's incident response process. Story 3. A South Korean lawmaker is preparing a bill to push the country's virtual asset income tax start date from January 2027 to January 2030. The argument is that another 3-year delay would give regulators time to complete a full review of the framework before it takes effect. Under current law, annual gains above 2.5 million won are taxed at a combined 22% rate. My read is that another delay is now a real possibility, but it is not confirmed. For the region, this matters because South Korean retail flows drive a meaningful share of Bitcoin and altcoin trading volume across Asia. A delayed tax start date could keep that flow active longer. Filipino, Vietnamese, and Indonesian traders should watch how the Korean parliament handles this proposal in the coming weeks. Here is your quick summary. 1. Clarity Act, September 15th. Floor vote locked. 2. Coinsbuy-linked wallet drained for $7.9 million. 3. South Korean lawmaker pushes crypto tax delay to 2030. This video is for information and education only and is not financial advice. All investment decisions and risks are your own responsibility. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. And if you want more chart analysis and trading insights, join our free Telegram channel. The link is in the description below. See you in the next one.